2015 to 2020 Chevy Tahoe USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2018 Chevy Tahoe. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB port right here. This one got some soda spill in it. Get yourself a blue plastic pry bar tool. I'll link it below. And what you want to do is come in here and go from the side, and you're going to push in here and then push the sides up. When you get one side up, put your finger on one side and hold it upwards while you try to do the other side. You should be able to pop it out like this. If it's your first time doing it, it could be kind of stubborn, but just you'll get it. And then it's going to have 3 connectors. You're going to have to disconnect the black connector first. There's a little thumb tab in the middle. Push the thumb tab down and then pull it back. You can use a little flathead if you need to. But once you get this one off, you'll be able to pull this out a lot further out. You'll get way more slack. There's a gray connector and a black connector. Same thing, thumb tab in the middle. Push it down and then pull the connector backwards. Do not pull by the wires because you will break the wires and then you'll have a whole other set of problems. But don't let those go back in the center console. Here it is right here. On here, there might be a part number. Here's the part number on mine. And these are sold on Amazon. I will link it below. They got a 5-star rating, 64 bucks, but you get the OEM one and it should last the lifetime of the vehicle afterwards. Now, once you get your new one, just unwrap it, and then it's pretty much you just plug all the connectors back in. Start with the gray one and then the black one. Those are be patient when you put those in because those have a connector within a connector, so make sure you get them in correctly. They could be kind of tricky. And then this black one is the last one. The black one's kind of tough because there's no slack, but once you get it in, you just push this guy back in here like that, and that's it. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GuillermoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.